name is Linda Lee and founder of Saint Willo. Today I'm going to demo how to remove acrylic nails using the Willowash. First things first, pour about 1/3 of a cup of acetone into the Willowash and turn it on. Put in the Willow pad. While that's heating, we're going to go ahead and prep the nails. So next, all we have to do is take a nail clipper and then clip off the excess length of the acrylic nail. Then go ahead and take the Willow wand and we're gonna file the surface of the nail. So we need to remove the shine. Okay, so it should look just like that. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna protect the skin around our cuticles. Okay, so we're gonna twist the cuticle oil pen up a couple times until there's oil at the top, and we're just gonna rub it around the skin. That'll prevent our skin from drying out too badly. All right. And we're gonna soak our nails face down onto the pad. Okay. And occasionally we're gonna rub our nails on the surface of the pad. Okay. If you have really small hands, you can actually put both hands in at the same time. I forgot to put the lid. Alright, so the value of the lid is that it protects acetone from splashing up, and you don't want to get acetone on your nice table or vanity or anything. But it just rests on top. You don't want it too tight because when you go to remove the lid, it could splash acetone. So this is it's more like a cover, and it just rests on top of the bowl. Now if you have gel polish over your acrylics, then you're gonna need to use the scraper tool after you've soaked for a couple minutes. You notice that the color's still there. Go ahead and scrape the gel part off. That will definitely help speed up your soak off time.
So remember, the Willowash helps you to remove your nails 50% faster, so.
All right, let's check it out. Looking pretty good, it's all done.